The ladybirds are about to turn into these are the babies. So this plant here, hibiscus, which gets covered in aphids every year, it also gets the helpers come in. And they'll wipe this whole lot out within a short time. I'll just show you. Here we have the whole life cycle here in one. So it shows you the aphids. And then that's what the ladybird babies look like. And they grow a bit bigger. And there's one of the ladybirds there. And there's a starting to form a pupae there on that leaf. Also, you'll get tiny wasps laying eggs. I don't know if you can see some really bloated aphids there, but that's got the wasps in it. So this is my little garden here. And yeah, while it looks terrible, the hibiscus will come good. And produce lots and lots. Look at these. Look, these are all going to turn into ladybirds. Whole lot. That's it. Enjoy your day.